Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's video we're going to be discussing TikTok's brand new feature, Stories, which are very similar to the ones on Snapchat and Instagram. Like those other apps, they disappear after 24 hours, and they can only be viewed from the homepage or a creator's personal page. Now, to make your own story, there's two different ways you can do this. One is by hitting your profile and hitting the blue button next to your profile picture. The second way is scrolling the left side of your screen or going to the top left of your screen, and there will be a camera icon and you just want to click that. From there you can select the quick or camera option. We'll do quick for this example, and then you can take a photo or a video and add things like music, stickers, voiceovers, and more. Once your story's posted, you'll be able to see who's interacted with it, who commented on it, liked, viewed it, and such. Let me know if you guys have any questions on how to post stories down in the comment section, and make sure you guys do subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest TikTok content. As always, I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you later.